Okay, so in scientific notation, this is a short way of writing really large numbers. So for example, if we had 3.25 times 10 raised to the 5th power, we would just need to take and move our decimal place 5 places to the right and fill in the missing ones with zeros. So we've got 3 additional zeros we need to put on. So that's actually 325,000. So this is just a quick way of writing 325,000. Now, on the other hand, if we had 3.25 times 10 to the negative 3 power times 10 to the negative 3 power, then we would need to move our decimal back 3 places to convert it into just the regular standard notation. So 0.00325 would be our number in just regular notation. Okay, now you may have to go the other direction with this. Let's say you had 0.0079813. And if we needed to put that into scientific notation, first you put in a decimal to make your number between 1 and 10. So we need to put a decimal right here, strategically placed, so that our number is between 1 and 10. But ultimately, we want our notation to be the same value. So to get it back to the same value, we're going to multiply by our 10 raised to some power that would get us back to that really small number. So here we had to move the decimal place 3 places, but to get it back to that really small number, we need to multiply by 10 to the negative 3, which would move the decimal back 1, 2, 3 places to give it its original value of 0.00798113. And while we're at it, everybody take a moment to write out what is this number, 0.00798113. Write that out in words on your own paper and type it into the chat box. We'll just practice saying that number. Okay, so looking at what place value we end up with that last numeral 3, we can look at, here we have our tenths place, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, 7 thousandths, 9 10,000ths, 800 thousandths, 1 millionth, 3 10 millionths. So it's 79,813 10 millionths is our number there. Whereas over in this number, the larger one, we have 325,000. Okay, now before we finish, I just want to show you how you could check your answer in Desmos. If I wanted to take the 3.25 times 10 raised to the 5th power, there you can see the 325,000. So that's a way that you can check that you got it right, which is really handy when you're on a test and you want to make sure you're getting the answers right. Of course, it's always a good idea to check the answers at the end of a test to make sure that you haven't dropped a sign or something like that.